2 days ago, I posted a video where I said a lot of companies are laying off people, and I got a lot of messages on my email, my WhatsApp, my Instagram. I understand the situation. We are here, we are seeing what's happening. But all I want to tell you is that you left your country, you left your hometown, you came to an unknown city to make a living here, and you did. You saw COVID, you saw 2008, and you survived that. So today it's all about just sailing through. This time will go, the war will end soon, the tourists will be back. People will come and see the country that was attacked and still standing tall, taller than ever. After all this is over, what will separate you from the people is only your mindset. If you're really strong, and if you don't let this affect you mentally and emotionally, then you will survive. And there will come a time where the companies will hire again. And all this will just be an experience that nothing can shake us. Everything that is happening with us in this life is just making us stronger. Only if we believe in ourselves and we stand strong. I'm living here in this country, I think over the past 6 years. I have also seen tough times. It is a tough time for me as well. I have a real estate company. We know tourism, real estate, oil sector, trade sector, everything is hit. But I also know, and I have my belief that everything will end soon, any day. And the government will handle it well, and it is handling it very well right now. I mean, look at the statements from the leaders. Which country, which leader have you heard saying that we have thick skin? I'm sorry to let you down. We will emerge stronger. Every resident is an Emirati. That gives me the boost, the power, the belief that everything's going to be fine. People are waiting for the UAE's downfall. But the government is not going to let it happen. Also, the people who've been living in this country, they've had a good life. They are happy here. They're only worried about the job right now because they don't want to leave. Otherwise, why would anybody be worried? Why would anyone want to stay in a country that is under war? But they don't want to leave. They want to work here. That gives you a sign that it is a beautiful country. We are safe, much safer than any other country. We know that if I go out in the night, nobody's going to suddenly molest me or attack me or mug me. I know that. And I know that I'm not paying any taxes as a resident on my income. I know I can open a business. I know I can buy a property, earn from a property.